Well, the Federal Reserve raised interest rates yesterday, and more are on the way. Channel 5's Alex Schreck spoke with folks around town today about the change. And Alex, what are people saying?
Oscar, some people are really worked up about it, and some, as a matter of fact, they're not worried. They say they actually think there's some benefits. It all depends on who you ask. Jose Hernandez has built homes for 14 years. The Nuevo Leon native said rising interest rates makes him worried.
Para la familia, menos dinero y más trabajo. Mucho más trabajo.
The Fed raised rates on Tuesday, saying they plan to do so 3 more times in 2017. Now, whether that's a good thing or a bad thing depends on who you ask. You don't have to be an expert to understand that when it costs more to borrow money, that means there's going to be less housing starts. And for guys like these, less housing starts means it's a lot harder to earn a living.
El país, la economía, hubiera más trabajo, más empleo, más desarrollo.
No, I'm not worried at all. Actually, I'm excited about what's to come in the economy.
Mortgage banker Oscar Chow has written thousands of loans over 15 years as a banker.
In 2006, the rates were 6.4. In 2001, it was almost 7%. I couldn't work enough hours. Everyone wanted to buy a home.
Just down Hummingbird Lane, a retired Air Force captain said higher interest means some of his investments profit more, but that for those who can't afford cash.
I'm in good shape now, but for people buying, it's a good time to buy and get a good interest rate now.
Back on the job site, the grizzled old carpenter said interest hikes, the tools of banking, often leave working folks with his kind of tools coming up short.
Los ricos no se preocupan y nosotros sí tenemos que preocuparnos por los biles.
Now, of course, that was our friend saying he believes it's a lot easier for people with money to absorb those hikes rather than blue-collar folks like himself. And now the Fed, after the initial buzz about possible multiple rate hikes in 2017, dialed it way down, at least for now. Just one interest rate hike is here. Now, live from the studio, Alex Schreck, Channel 5 News at 6.
All right, Alec. And CNN Money reminds us that things still very positive out there, and they point out that savings accounts will be paying out more because of the interest hike, and also for home buyers, while rates are rising, they're still low. Also, the Fed can use those high interest rates to keep inflation in check.